How to find someone on BIGO Live. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and on today's tutorial we will see how we can search for someone in BIGO Live. So let's get started. First of all, open a BIGO Live application in your mobile device. If you don't have one, install it from Google Play Store. Once you install it, open up the application and you have to make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now, once you're logged in and get to this interface, there at the bottom there are various options such as live, video, go live, chats, and me. Now, if you navigate to top right corner, there you will find search icon in front of notification icon. So tap on this search icon. Now, in the search interface at the top, there is a search bar. Tap on it and you have to either enter the username or the ID or the live title for that account. So enter your username for the account that you want to search for. After you search for it, you will have that account in that interface and you can simply follow that account. So that's the way to search someone on BIGO Live, and that's all for today's video. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and like our channel, and thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.